The Constitution of Bangladesh is the supreme law of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. It was adopted on December 16, 1972, and has undergone several amendments since then. The Constitution provides the framework for the country's political system, establishes the fundamental rights and freedoms of its citizens, and outlines the powers and responsibilities of the government institutions. Here are some of the key features of the Bangladesh Constitution. 1. Preamble. The preamble of the Constitution emphasizes the principles of nationalism, socialism, democracy, and secularism. It highlights the commitment to establish a society based on justice, equality, and freedom. 2. Unitary state. Bangladesh is a unitary state, meaning the power is centralized in the national government. However, local government bodies have been established to ensure decentralization and local governance. 3. Fundamental rights. The Constitution guarantees fundamental rights and freedoms to the citizens of Bangladesh, including the right to equality, freedom of speech, expression, religion, and the right to protection of life and liberty. 4. Parliamentary democracy. Bangladesh follows a parliamentary system of government where the president is the head of state and the prime minister is the head of government. The parliament, known as the Judicial Independence, consists of elected representatives who make laws, oversee the government, and represent the interests of the people. 5. Separation of powers. The Constitution establishes a separation of powers among the executive, legislative, and judicial branches of the government. This ensures a system of checks and balances, and prevents the concentration of power in a single authority. 6. Fundamental principles of state policy. The Constitution outlines the fundamental principles of state policy, which include socialism, democracy, and secularism. These principles guide the state in making policies for socioeconomic development, eradication of poverty, provision of basic necessities, and establishment of social justice. 7. Judicial independence. The Constitution upholds the principle of an independent judiciary. The judiciary acts as the guardian and interpreter of the Constitution, ensuring the protection of rights and liberties and ensuring the rule of law. 8. Local government. The Constitution recognizes the importance of local government institutions for democratic governance. It provides for the establishment of local government bodies at various levels, empowering them to manage local affairs and participate in the decision-making process. 9. Protection of minorities. The Constitution guarantees the rights of religious and ethnic minorities, ensuring their freedom to practice their religion and preserve their culture. It prohibits discrimination based on religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. 10. Amendments. The Constitution can be amended through prescribed procedures. Amendments require a 2/3 majority in the Parliament, ensuring that any changes to the Constitution reflect a broad consensus among the representatives of the people. These are some of the significant features of the Constitution of Bangladesh. It serves as the foundation of the country's legal system, governance, and protection of fundamental rights, and it continues to evolve through amendments to address the changing needs of the nation. Thanks for watching this video, and also subscribe Advocate Buzzard Shot channel.